converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions with adamonlinetutoring. On to the beginner questions, some of the easiest questions that you're likely to find on this topic. Write the shaded parts as a mixed number and an improper fraction. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. We can see with this first shape we have one whole, and on the second shape we have two shaded parts from a total of 3 equal parts. So our mixed number would be 1 and 2 over 3. An improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator and a whole number is not included at the beginning. So each of the shapes have been split into 3 equal parts, and in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those shaded. So the improper fraction would be 5 over 3. For the second question, as a mixed number, we have 2 whole shaded shapes, and in the last shape, which is split into 4 equal parts, we have 3 of those shaded. So 2 and 3 over 4. As an improper fraction, the shapes are split into 4 equal parts, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of those shaded. So the improper fraction would be 11 over 4. On to the intermediate questions. Some of the most difficult types of questions that you're likely to find on this topic. The 2 as a whole number represents the whole number of shapes shaded, and the 3 written as the denominator tells us how many equal parts those shapes are divided into. So multiplying 2 by 3 will give you the number of total shaded parts on the 2 shapes, and then the fraction represented how many parts we had shaded on the last shape. So we can add this one from the last shape. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Add the 1 will give us 7. So we have 7 parts that are shaded on shapes that are split into 3 equal parts. The denominators will always remain the same when converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and add the 2 gives us 27 over 5. Next, we need to change these improper fractions to mixed numbers. We have 9 total shaded parts from shapes split into 2 equal parts. So looking at how many 2's go into 9 will give us the total of whole numbers, which would be 4. And if we can leave this as a remainder of 1, this will tell us the number of shaded parts on the last shape. So we have 4 wholes and 1 left over on a shape that's split into 2 equal parts. For the second question, 22 divided by 4 is 5, remainder 2, meaning we have 5 wholes with 2 left over when split into 4 equal parts. This can be simplified further to give us 5 and 1 over 2. Here's a question I've completed. It appears as though I've made some mistakes. Pause the video and see if you can tell me what they are, or write some corrections in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found that video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. If you're struggling with topics or finding maths difficult, subscribe and turn on notifications to receive regular updates about new video tutorials and other useful content. You can visit and follow all of my socials by clicking the links in the description below.